So right now I am at a nursery and I just decided it'd be fun to do a little tour while I'm there because I need to pick up some soil. So might as well, right? If you like these nursery tours, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get going. Oh, we always love walking into a good nursery. Look at the Sansevierias. There's so many. Look, this is the most beautiful air plant that I've ever seen, and it's $99.99. My Tillandsia recently was murdered, so I'm really sad, and I'm looking for a new one, but I'm gonna buy it in LA because that's where they are the cheapest. So look at these mounted ferns. They're looking so good. Baby pothos. This is the same chain as the other nursery that I went to, but this one is in a different location. And this one has so many more plants, so I like coming to this one. Some beautiful rubber trees. Oh my gosh. Here's some string of hearts, and they're $16, which I think is kind of expensive for a string of hearts. $28.99 for a Hindu rope. I think that's very expensive as well. I got mine for $20 at Mickey's, which I think is a good price. Here are some peace lilies. Here, this one is $32.99, and I got a one way bigger than this on clearance for $5, which is, of course, a way better price. Some regular rubber trees. What is this? Petty. What does this say? $7.19. This is really cool. Some Stromanthes for $8.99. It's a little baby. Ooh, look at this. This is cool. For $6.99. Here we go. Crotons. We got a lowrider. Yep. Beautiful. Neon pothos. Alocasias. Nerve plants. Aglaonemas. Of course, pothos. Marantas. Calathea. I love this one. I saw this at Lowe's before, and I kind of wish that I got it because this one is $40 and that one was definitely not $40. I would like a lemon lime Maranta. Oh, these are my favorite to feel. They're the softest plants ever. Oh my gosh. I wish you could just see and feel how soft these are, because you see that sheen? That sheen is softness. Silky smooth. Some ZZs. Alibatra. I'm pretty sure that these prices are kind of the same as the other nursery. Oh my gosh, this is more of a Congo. That's my size. This one's $10.99. What is this? A Schefflera Alpine Junior. I just propagated a Schefflera, so don't need to be buying one. This one is $10.99. Syngoniums. How much are they? Wow, this is only $4.99. I think that's really good. I think, but maybe it could be cheaper. Oh my gosh! Look at this Scindapsus for $4.99. I don't have I don't have this kind, and I'm kind of really tempted to buy this. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna buy it. Look at how sparkly the leaves are. Can you see that? I hope you can, because this is so beautiful. You see that sparkle? Gorgeous. Papa, some Schefflera. This one's variegated. Here's the Schefflera that I just propagated. You can check that video out. This one is $84.99, and I got mine for free. This over here is $69.99. So I'll link it below. Probably throw it up in the cards too. Yeah, that's about it for the jungle room, and we'll check out the rest of the nursery right now. Okay, here we are outside. Some ferns all over there. Zebra plants. These are $5.99. These are usually at Home Depot and stuff, so I'm not sure if that's a good price. Some more ferns, $13.99 for this bird nest one. And then, oh my god, these are the, oh, this is actually not, what is this called? I thought that this was a, I can't remember what I thought it was, a fern, but this is $19.99. It's called a planty, I can't read this. But this is one that I want, and they keep tempting me by having them out, and I really can't take care of it well, so that's a problem. Look at this beautiful begonia. So pretty for $30. Bird's nest fern, $5.99. They just have this transcendentia wandering on the floor. Wandering, get it? Oh, here's some string of pearls. These are $12.99. I don't really know if that's a good price either, because I just buy the little baby version. I don't know what this plant is, but it is so pretty. A Sundance. This is a really pretty flower. Oh, here, it's called a Transcendentia. This is the lilac one for $12.99. Super pretty. What is this big baby? Here we have begonias. A Rex begonia, $12.99. Oh, look at these fuzzy ferns. I'm really thinking about getting a begonia like this. This is $5.99. Okay, so this is called a jumbo jet begonia, and it's $5.99, and I think I'm gonna buy it because I like it, and I like the name of it. It has really nice dark wings. They have so many string of hearts here. I know that people kind of have a hard time getting their hands on these, so if you guys want, let me know in the comments, and I could buy a couple of these, split them up into smaller pots, and then give them out for free. So just let me know if you would like that, because there are so many here, and I feel like they're not that easily accessible in other places. Oh my gosh, what is this? This looks like it's from a Dr. Seuss book. Oh, it looks like a fairy. Oh my gosh. It doesn't have the name on it. That is super cute. Look at these little peppers. Okay. Some more string of pearls. Wow, these are really hefty. Hefty, hefty, hefty. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy. More syngoniums. Look at these cute, these are adorable. Oh my gosh. These grow so incredibly fast, so they're not gonna stay this adorable for long. Oh, these flowers are so pretty for $5.99. Wow, look at this orange. I really don't like taking care of flowers because, I don't know, I just can't do it. Oh, this is a begonia. Oh no. I think I'm buying a begonia. Wow, that's so pretty. This is called Clara. I had an old manager named Clara and I loved her so much. Maybe I should get this for her. That would be so cute. I might do that. I hope she can take care of it though. Hello, lamb. For the low, low price of $62.99, you can have this adorable little lamb in your backyard, hanging out with your plants. Here we have ivy. Sorry, there's someone with a cart in the background. Corkscrew. Plants. Oh, this is called glacier ivy. I have this and I got it from clearance at Walmart. This one's $4.99. My clearance one was like $2, which I think was a little bit expensive now that I think about it, but that's okay. I already bought it. Okay, we have spider plants. Oh, I always wanted to know what these are called. Well, I guess I'm not finding out today. If you know what this is called, let me know. Oh, some little Bonnie spider plants. This one is $4.99. So cute. I really like the color of these spider plants, but I'm not gonna get one because I have too many spider plants. It's a little bit too much for me to handle. Here are some more of those Hoyas. Just a regular one here. We love these. They're not looking too good though. They're like dying. Poor little babies. Oh, here's some more of those little Dr. Seuss plants. Okay, I think that's been the whole nursery. So we're gonna head to the cacti and succulents now. This cute little succulent section. Got a little pond over there. Oh my gosh, in this air plant section. I'm so sad that mine is dead. But I miss my little donuts so much. I was so sad. Oh, look at this guy. Wow, that's really different. This is $99.99. Oh my goodness. That's really cool. Air plants are so cool. They're so funky looking. Their little flowers and everything. What's going on, little Tillandsias? How are you guys real? Okay, we got a wagon so I could get my soil. Put some of my little plants on it too. I kind of been trying out different soils, but right now I want to try out the, oh my gosh, the Happy Frog or the Fox Farm ones. I think they're both Fox Farm, but this one is kind of like ocean forest and this one is like, I don't know, this one's more like tropical. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. Do they have a bigger bag though? I think I need a bigger bag than that. And I also need Coca-Cola. So I hope they have that here. Hold on, let me get my soil really quick. Here we go, cacti and succulents. We got donkey's tail, we got rat's tail. We got euphorbias. They're so cute. $10.99. I saw a rat's tail at Home Depot for really cheap. It was like $5, like this big too, and I really regret not picking it up. But yeah, this is just a cute little cacti place. You know, they got the regular cacti and succulents that you'd find anywhere. So I guess not too interesting, but oh my gosh, this cactus is so beautiful. Euphorbia Camac for $699 flat. Wow. Oh, I really like this and I want one of them. This is a $9.99 plant. That sounds good for how big that plant is. I'm not really too familiar with cacti prices and stuff. So these are adorable. It's called a moon glow. This is the most adorable. Oh my gosh, I might buy it. Jeez. This is so cute too. Oh my god, it's like a little padding. Imagine walking on this. Boop boop. Okay, let's not get too crazy. Okay, here's my little haul. I got this Scindapsus for $4.99. This big begonia jumbo jet for $5.99, and happy tree frog soil. I don't know how much it costed, but check. So it's really hot, so I'm sorry that if you can't hear me over the AC, but so I bought my first begonia today and I'm really excited about it. I've never heard of it before, but I think it's really cute. It has really dark leaves, as you saw. And I got my first Scindapsus. Well, actually, I can't remember the difference between the one that I have and then the one that I just bought. One of them has bigger leaves, but I don't know the exact names for each of them. So I'll probably put that down right here. But overall, it was a pretty successful trip and I hope that you enjoyed the little tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, so that I know I should keep doing nursery plant tours, because I don't know if they're liked. I just do them because I think they're so pretty and I enjoy watching them. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye!